we're going to be seeing what is inside of my backpack that I haven't touched in a very long time. So first we got a water snake. This was like honestly my favorite fidget to fidget with. So it was like so fun. Next we have some aquarium pictures we took at Mall of America. If you don't know what that place is, then you must be living under a rock. I'm so sorry. I'm just kidding. Okay. So Mall of America is like this place where there's an aquarium and you can also like do lots of fun rides and you can also buy stuff. That is my picture. First picture. And then the second picture is the same but different background. So yeah. Next up in this wonderfully black backpack is a puppet. I love my puppets, you know. This honestly like got hard to like go down, but this side is good. Next, that's heavy still. We got candy. It's almost gone. Honestly, this is like so funny. Okay, next we got pizza crackers. Oops, pizza crackers. They're literally like so good. My charger. This fun game where you're like. Honestly, don't remember anything. This is really such a memory. Oh my god. Guys, I think I just lost the board to it, but I still have the dice and the little like circle things. So I'll get this cleaned up after showing you all of this stuff. So first I got this like number thing, and then we got some dice. We got it in purple, red, dark purple, and green. And then we got some like lily pads, they call them. So first we got this like pink or purple or whatever you want to call it. Green. Orange. I'm getting my colors mixed up. I was showing the blue while looking at the orange. So this is blue, this is orange, and this is purple. So I'm going to put it back. I got it all cleaned up. Next up we have, oh my gosh, I have weird stuff in here. Coloring, markers, crayons, black metallic crayons, a coloring notebook, coloring papers and stickers, oh my gosh, a brush, another marker, I don't know what's down here, a Balloonies pet. That's all. So this is the pile of stuff that I made. It's literally